Oh my god. Guys, it is insane right now. Literally, like, I don't know if, like, my phone can focus in on this, but it is snowing. Like, it is really coming down out there. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but that is coming down on some huge high-end flakes, man. Wow. I apologize for the copyright infringement in the background. I had to turn it up because my sister's got her heater on because it is definitely cold outside. I cannot believe I had to do that on video. Yes, guys, there it is. It's actually snowing, and I hope you guys didn't hear what my body just did right now. Yeah. Man, that is insane. Are you done? No? Okay. Wow. Alright, guys, hang in there. Let's take this outside, shall we? Walking in a winter wonderland, even though it's February. Wow. Guys, this is insane. Oh, wow. It is snowing right now. Oh, wow. Absolutely amazing. I am so glad I'm able to capture this. Oh, look at the ground. It's just covered in snow. Oh, wow. I'd show the house, but I don't want to show the house number. Yeah, it is snowing right now. Look at this. Look at this tree. The tree in our front yard is, like, covered right now. You can see the snow coming down over here. Wow. Absolutely amazing, guys. I know, it's snowing, it's nothing new. I'm gonna just take a wild guess here and say 3 to 5 inches of snow. That's what we're gonna get. I tell you what. Let's take a look in real time, shall we? Alright. I actually need to go to this. Wow. 33 in snow. Yeah, guys, this is what it looks like right now. Move this down a little bit so y'all can see. Look at that. Look at this. 33, and it's snowing. This is basically it for you. This is what the radar looks like right now. I don't see not one clear spot up until there's Newark. That's where we're at right now. So I wonder how much we're to expect. Because look, here's Newark where I live, down right here where you see that blue dot. That's where Newark is. That's where we live. And then let's see, Pittsburgh. Here we go. For Strasburg, Pennsylvania. And Credit Karma, that's a bunch of bullcrap. Winter storm warning? Yo, David's under a winter storm warning? That's not good. Let's read this. I'll put myself down here. Severe alert, Strasburg, Pennsylvania. Winter storm warning from 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday until 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday, mixed rain and snow developing late evening. A mixed rain and snow developing late evening and changing to all snow around midnight. Snow intensity increases though increases though the pre-dawn hours with rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Heaviest snow ending around daybreak, with snow tapering off by mid-morning. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 9 inches. Wow, David, you've been blessed, dude. Dangerous travel conditions on snow-covered roads with very low visibility. Okay, that's not totally blessed, but it's blessed enough to where you actually get snow. At any rate, basically it says, heavy snow will impact the early morning commute with very slow speeds and increased risk for accidents. Precautionary/preparedness actions. The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation reminds motorists to adjust speeds based on driving conditions and take it slow in ice and snow and. So there you go. Wow. They're under a winter storm warning. That's absolutely amazing. Strasburg, Pennsylvania. Let's go back to New York, Ohio. See, snow. Okay, for us, snow will taper off and end this evening, but skies will remain cloudy late, low around 25. Yeah, see, we're not gonna get the bull crap that Strasburg, Pennsylvania is gonna get. So, David, if you're watching this, dude, stay safe out there, man. You might want to cuddle up on the couch with Maui. Happen to be watching this video. Alright, guys, hang on. I'm going to change over back to the camera mode, so hang in there. So yeah, guys, there you go. Basically, was that's the worst of it. Man, they're gonna get. I'm jealous. They're gonna get 5 to 9 freaking inches. It sucks. Oh well. Alright, guys. Well, you know what? I'm gonna close this off. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe for more content. Make sure you hit the bell icon notification next to the subscribe button so you'll know when I upload a video the next time. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Wouch. And Rosie end card. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to me. Don't forget to check out Twitter and Facebook. All the links are down in the description. Peace to 5143J out.